Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the graphic assets. Pick PNG or SVG emoji with transparency so they composite cleanly. Once imported, drag them into the project panel and put the first emoji on the timeline above your video track. Make sure your sequence settings match the footage frame rate to avoid jitter. If you need multiple sizes, duplicate the clip and label layers clearly. This gets you immediately into editing without wasting time on trivial setup and sets up consistent behavior for motion and effects. Now you animate and place the emoji. In Effect Controls, set position and scale, then add keyframes where movement starts and ends. You can animate opacity for pop-in effects. Once done, apply ease in and ease out to keyframes so motion feels organic, and enable motion blur if your sequence supports it to mask tiny jitter. If you need multiple emojis, stagger their keyframes and use parenting via adjustment layers for synced motion. This step turns static icons into expressive elements integrated with your footage. Finish by refining color, scale, and edges so the emoji visually belongs in the scene. Use Lumetri color or change blend mode to overlay or screen for natural integration, and add a subtle drop shadow with a duplicate layer and Gaussian blur. Once happy, render the work area to preview playback, then export with H.264 or your chosen codec. If something goes wrong, first inspect track order and clip opacity. Make sure the emoji layer sits above video and has no unintended effects, disabling visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.